Okay, I've set this part up. You know how to create programs by now. But in here, I've picked a cylinder as you know, so the part is round, and it's a 5-inch diameter or a half-inch thick. We'll accept that. So the first thing that we want to do is milling. Go to milling, and we want to do slots, and we want to do slots that are on a circumference. You can do longitudinal and angled slots and open slots, but we want to do them on a circumference. So we'll pick our end mill, feeds and speeds. It's okay, so it wants to know where the center is in X and Y, and Z, 0 is the top of the part. How many slots? There's 4 slots. What's the radius? What is the angle, the starting angle of one of the slots? Well, it's 33 degrees off 90, so that would be 57 degrees here. And it wants to know the actual angle between the start and the end. That's 66. And then the width of the slot itself, it's a 200 radius, so that'd be 400. And the depth. And do I want to take it in one pass? I do. Okay, so we have our slots. The next thing we have to do is the center hole. So milling, pocket, circle pocket, pick our end mill, feeds and speeds. The center in X and Y is 0. Top of the part is 0. Diameter of the hole is 1.6. The Z depth, percentage of the tool to step over. Do it all in one pass. I'm not leaving any stock. And a helical entry. Next we have the bolt hole circle. So that's drilling. And I'm just going to drill some holes here. I better go get my proper tool. That's a 136 for the 832s. And we'll go 550 deep, that's fine. And now we want to tell it where we want the holes. Well, we go to positions, we tell it it's a bolt hole circle. The top of the part is C0. The center of the bolt hole is at 0, 0. The angle of one of the holes is at 45 degrees. And there are 8 holes. And how do I want to position? Do I want to position between them on a circle or straight? I'll just do the straight moves because there's nothing in the way. Now, it seems to me that we've forgotten about our tapped holes. So let's just put them in right here behind the drill. So we'll go to drilling, thread type, tapping. That's an 832, no table, 32 threads per inch, RPM, enter depth. I'll accept that. So by having the drilling, tapping, and positions all tied into each other, when I simulate, and I'll slow the simulation down here a little bit, the drill and tapped holes are in the same XY locations, so they share a common position location. And there you have it. Hopefully you found that useful, and thank you for watching.